another video. I am your girl, Marquis in Paris, and I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an upload from me. I know you're gonna love the CYC family, and of course I love you. So thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for my old subscribers for tuning in, for rocking with me. Like, y'all know I always say this year I'm gonna be more consistent, but I'm trying, you know, give me some time. It's January, so I'm trying to pump out like little short videos, not as long, so I can, you know, have more content. But today's video is a beauty video. I ordered from, I think they're called Revolution makeup. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Revolution. This is my first time actually seeing anything by Revolution. I know they said that it's in Ulta stores and in Target, but I never paid any attention. So anyways, I was on the Target website browsing, right? And I started looking like through the makeup, and I noticed that Revolution had like this Disney princess collection, and I'm 35, but I love Disney. I'm a kid at heart. So I love Disney, and I really love Princess and the Frog. I love Ariel. Yeah, Jasmine is a princess, but I don't know why I didn't get her collection. I'm not sure if I skipped over it, but anyways, I'm browsing on Target. I see Princess and the Frog collection by Revolution. I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I have to get this collection, but it's kind of pricey, and I'm like, I don't know if it's going to be good. I don't even know this Revolution brand. Should I get this? Should I not? So I went on their website, and I found the same collection, but it was cheaper. It was like on sale. So I was like, oh, Target, bye-bye. I'm going to get it off of their site. So sometimes when you're looking for something that's in Target, go to the regular site, because sometimes it may be cheaper than it is on the Target website, which I'm glad I did, because I was able to get everything I wanted for the low. So without further ado, let me start by saying I did order some body cream from them. I thought it was, I mean, it's kind of childish, but I wanted to smell like this. This was my favorite cereal growing up. It's the Fruity Pebbles body cream by Revolution, and it just says, like, their signature, it says, I love Revolution. It's body butter, so it comes in a package like this. As you can see, it says Fruity Pebbles on it, and you know, I've already opened this. I haven't opened the rest of the items that I ordered, but I was so disappointed in this, and I kind of want my money back, but I know they're not going to give my money back, so you know, it's fine. But on the packaging, you see they have the Fruity Pebbles cereal, and then it just comes in this package. You see the Fruity Pebbles logo on it. I love Revolution on the back. Are you focusing? And when you open it, it doesn't smell, well, it smells like Fruity Pebbles, like, initially, but this is the consistency. So it does have a thick consistency, which I love. But when you put it on, it doesn't smell like Fruity Pebbles. Like, it doesn't. It actually smells like apple. like a cheap apple scent, though. It's not like a high potent smell. Yeah, I don't get the Fruity Pebbles scent, and maybe that's just me, because other people might smell it, but for me, this cream was a no. And it's sticky. Like, after you rub it in your hands, like, my hands feel sticky, like I've been eating sticky candy. So I don't know what's in this, but this is an epic fail for me. I'll probably give it to like one of my little cousins, and I shouldn't have brought this because I'm 35 with Fruity Pebbles body butter, but I wanted to smell like a snack for my man, and that's why I brought this. But this is an epic fail. So I think I'm just going to either give it to my little cousin or just use it as hand cream at work when my hands get dry, and just put it on. But the smell is like null and void. It's not there. But anyways, this is my first time unboxing the other stuff. I'm so excited about Princess Tiana. I think that we should start with, I got this highlighter. I got this highlighter from the collection, and it says Illuminator Highlighter, Princess and the Frog. It comes in this particular packaging. As you can see, they have Princess Tiana there, Princess and the Frog, all that jazz. I'm sorry, y'all, if the lighting keeps going out. Like, I tried to plug in my ring light wouldn't work, and then I'm using natural light, so if you see it get dim, I apologize in advance. Please Don't give me a thumbs down because it's not my fault. Natural light will not let me be great. Anyways, let's open this up to see what it's like. Oh, this box is so, like, it's so hard to get out. Jesus. Oh, okay. And then, you know, it comes in this little box. I love the packaging. Oh, it's broken. Just great. It's broken. So, that's an epic fail that my highlighter is broken. I'm going to see if I can send it back. Like, do you see? It's crumbled into pieces, but it's so beautiful. Like, from what I can tell. Let me take some of the broken pieces. And do you think it's because I was shaking it? I think it came broken. Look how pretty the highlighter is. I'm so mad about this highlighter, y'all. I was looking forward to using it. It's just getting everywhere. But look how pretty that is. I know the lighting doesn't do it justice, so you can't really see it. But, if you guys could really see that, it would be a beautiful highlighter. I'm so pissed, guys. I waited to open this and it's freaking broken. I'm going to contact them as soon as this video is over and tell them that my highlighter is broken. I want a new one that's sent. Like, give me another one because this one is completely broken. That sucks. What is this? I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh, this is a lip topper. This is the Princess and the Frog lip topper. I don't know the color. It doesn't say. Guys, I wish I would have opened this. This is like an unboxing on camera. Cause like, if I would have opened this before, like that highlighter, I am pissed, y'all. I'm gonna do a makeup look. I was gonna do like a Valentine's Day makeup look using this whole entire thing. But I can't even do it now because the highlighter is broken. And it was in the shape of a heart. So the highlighter is like really cute. Ugh, that just blew my life. Moving on though. This is the topper. Comes in the same packaging. Princess and the Frog. You see that? Okay, so I don't know what color this is though. Can you tell me? No. But anyways, pretty packaging. You see they have gold, Princess and the Frog. It seems like it's like a shiny pink with like sparkles in it. That's the vibe it gives. Anyways, let me swatch this for y'all. Now I look too bright. That's what it looks like. Pretty pink sheer. It's a topper. I could top it over what I have right now. I'm wearing like Naya Vista, a color by Naya Vista. I think it's called Mother. But I can top this over anything. Or you can just wear it on its own and wear a liner. Do you see how sheer and pink that is? It's gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see the highlight now. You see the highlight now? The lighting is coming back. And you see the highlighter. So imagine how pretty that would be. I'm contacting them. I'm mad about that. But anyways, guys, that's the topper. So I think the topper is going to be beautiful. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I probably will wear it on its own with the liner. I also ordered, which is not from the collection, it's the Revolution Skincare London blotting paper, mattifying on the go. I get really oily. I'm an oily girl. Normally it's around my T-zone, especially around my nose area. Oh, excuse me. And I also get dry as well, but it's crazy because like the size of my nose will pill, but the front portion of my nose will be oily, like if I'm wearing makeup or something. So I thought this was really cute. You unbox it, it's just like this, and the sheets come out right here in this opening. I'm not gonna open it right now because I'm not ready to use it, but yeah, do you guys see that? I think that's cute. It's perfect to put in your purse, on the go, so you can stay matte all day, especially if you have on makeup. Love that. Okay, the last thing I ordered was the palette. As you can see, the packaging is really pretty. I just love Prince. I'll probably watch this movie after this. After I contact them about my freaking highlighter, I'm going to watch the movie. Matter of fact, I need to pull that up. And the reason why I also got this collection is because everyone who knows me, that watches my channel, you know that green is my favorite color. So I was like, oh, I have to get this. Maybe I could still do a makeup look with this. I'm not sure. My highlighter, but we shall see. So you open the box. Y'all, let's pray that this palette is not broken. this palette is broken, I'm going to cry. It's kind of like a storybook. It gives you storybook vibes. It has the gold going around the palette. It's pretty thick. It's just like a book, like I said. That's the front of it. You guys can see that. Let's see. Guys, if this is broken, I'm gonna be mad. No. Okay. So this is another reason why I ordered this palette, because like on one side you have like, you can use these as highlighters, you have blush, and then you have your eyeshadow. Look how pretty this palette is. Like this Makeup Revolution, whoever this brand is, I Love Revolution, they did this palette justice, okay? Because, and they did Princess Tiana justice, because look at these beautiful colors. I feel like I can use this palette year round, even in the fall. So some of the names go with like the movie. So you have Evangeline here, this yellow here. You have Louis, Ray, Lily Pad, Gumbo, Tiana, Naveen, Bayou, Shadowman, Swamp, Frog, Kiss, Beignet, Magic, Voodoo, LaBouffe, Witch Doctor, Mama Odie. And then some of the blushes and highlighters are Tiana's Place, Almost There. Almost there. I'm almost there. Yeah, that. I love that song. New Orleans, Mardi Gras, Promise. So you do have a lot of stuff. And I love the quote on the inside. It says, real dreams come true. So that's what it says right there. But it's really pretty, guys. And I don't know, like, do you guys want me to swatch? I will swatch. I'll swatch for you. So you can see if it's like good color payoff. Oh my gosh, you can't even get the thing off. They made sure that this wasn't broken for sure. Hold on, hold on. Come on, Lala, El Marquis Paris. Let's go, girl. Okay, I'm getting it. Oh. All right. So let's get into this. See, I knew that was gonna happen. I'm gonna dip myself into this stuff, and I dipped it into my nail and stuff. Okay, so since I dipped into one, let's try Lily Pad. Lily Pad. I should be doing it on the inside of my arm, but whatever. That's Lily Pad. Angeline is the yellow that I showed you guys. Oh, my nail dipped in it. I hate that. It's kind of like a subtle yellow. There it is. And then you have Louis. That's kind of like a dark pigmented green. Louis is there. It's so many to swatch, y'all, but y'all get the gist of it. I think they do have like good color payoff. If you want to see the blush, let's see one blush. It's called Almost There. So far I swatched Evangeline, Louis, and Lily Pad. It's right here. So those three. Blush. This is Almost There. Oh, the blush is like really pigmented. So those are all the colors right there. So you guys can kind of see that. That's how the palette is. So I am impressed with the palette. Disappointed in the highlighter only because it's broken. But everything else is good. The topper, lip topper, looks amazing. I can't wait to do a makeup look for you guys. Enjoyed this mini haul of, what is it, Revolution makeup? I mean, no one told me about these people, but I wish you would have told me before. I may order like Jasmine stuff or some other princess stuff just to have it on hand, but you know, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave it in the comments, like, if you guys have tried Makeup Revolution, if you plan on getting your hands on the Princess Tiana collection or Ariel or any other Disney princess that is out there. Let me know if I'm doing too much, because I am 35 and I'm buying a princess collection. I feel like this is for teens, but I'm gonna rock the hell out of this collection because I can. Until next time, guys, let me know in the comments also what videos you want to see this year. because I will be trying to produce a lot of content, and I need your help trying to figure out like where I want to go with this channel. It was called Clutch Your Closet, and it was after a fashion firm that I used to work for, but I think it should be called Clutch Your Life because I do so many lifestyle videos, beauty, and I do fashion. So I'm thinking about changing the name to Clutch Your Life. Let me know if you like that in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. And stay clutch. Bye.